Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This prevents shorts and preserves vehicle electronics. Once done, put on gloves and use plastic trim tools to pry bezels gently. Metal tools can scratch or break clips. Remove visible screws with the correct driver and slide out trim pieces to reveal the head unit frame. Make sure to keep fasteners organized in a cup or labeled bag so reassembly is straightforward. Once the trim is off, unscrew the mounting bolts and pull the head unit out slowly to avoid snagging wires. You'll first disconnect the antenna cable by pressing its clip, then release the main wiring harness by depressing the locking tab. Use steady pressure. If present, unclip USB, aux, microphone, and amplifier leads. Make notes or photos of connector orientations and any security stickers. Some systems require a radio code or dealer reset when reinstalled or replaced. After removal, cap exposed connectors or tape them to prevent corrosion and shorting, and secure loose harnesses with zip ties so they don't rattle. Reinstall trim panels in reverse order, making sure clips align. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and test windows, lights, and the remaining dash electronics to confirm no circuits were disturbed. Troubleshooting tip: if the dash or new unit has no power, check the radio fuse, ground continuity, and accessory 12V with a multimeter before assuming the harness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.